Okay, lesson 11, part 2. Example 2, page S55. A 1/4 inch cube was used to fill the prism. How many 1/4 inch cubes does it take to fill the prism? What is the volume of the prism, and how is the number related to the volume? So, here's our prism. We're going to label the length, the width, and the height, and we are going to find the volume of it. So I know that I am not going to be able to just multiply right across. So V equals LWH. I'm going to have to change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. And I do that by timesing the denominator to the whole number and adding the numerator. So 2 times 1 is 1. Sorry, no it's not. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have 3/2 times the width, which is 1. And to make a whole number a fraction, you put a 1 under it, times 3 3/4 times plus 12, 13, 14, 15 fourths. So now I'm going to just multiply my numerators. 15 times 1 times 3 is 45. And 2 times 4 times 1 is 8. Now, I would leave this in an improper fraction for now. When you want to put the volume, you're going to have to put it as a mixed number. But in order to find how many cubes I could fill that prism with, I would leave it as an improper fraction. So the cubes, remember, the cubes are smaller and that they're a square. So all equal lengths, 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4. You don't have to draw a cube every time. So the cube is 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 1/64. So remember, volume of the prism divided by the volume of the cube. Volume of the prism, do you see where I wanted to leave it as an improper? Divided by the volume of the cube. I need to keep, switch, flip, and I can cross reduce my numbers by 8. Divide by 8, divide by 8. 1, 8 times 8 is 64, so I have 45 times 8, which is 360. So, how many cubes does it take to fill the prism? 360 cubes. And the volume, I need to figure out the volume of this. So I had an improper fraction. So we say, how many times does 8 go into 45? Or if you need to do it on the side, you can. 45 and 8 can go into 45 5 times, which is 40, which is 5 and 5/8. 5 and 5/8 inches cubed equals the volume.